Are you tired of digging through Gusto's menus just to send a document? Follow this exact walkthrough to send your document to all future hires in under 4 minutes. We'll start at your company dashboard, open Documents, add and upload your file, enter its details, then send it to all future hires. First, open Gusto and sign in to reach the company dashboard, your home base for everything you'll do here. Now, click on Documents in the main menu to open the section where you'll manage all your company documents. Then, click Add Document to begin creating a brand new document. In the Upload area, click Upload Files and pick the file you want to send. Once your file is attached, type in the required document information, like the name and any details. Next, click on All Future Hires to choose the audience for this document. And finally, click Send Document. And that's all there is to it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.